City. I'm with the member of the GNU, what they call it. How do you feel?
Well, for me, I'm happy because it's what I was expecting from today's
Yeah.
game. There was nothing that Polokwane City was going to offer against Sundowns at home.
Yeah.
So for me, a win for Sundowns is not a taboo.
So Sundowns show great quality. They show great performances. Now they're playing with you on Wednesday, which is a Kaizer Chiefs. How do you feel?
Yeah, I feel happy. The reason why I wanted for them to win is for them when they come on Wednesday, for me to be able to humble them. Because if they play to a draw, it was going to be something else. It was going to be a personal game and all that. So now they come here, they don't have much pressure. So it will make me to be able to breathe and be able to play my game. Yeah.
So now Sundowns is showing great performances, and they're still in CAF Champions League. Do you think they're gonna get the second star?
Yeah, well, you know, if they want it, they've already traveled the road. But indlela if in Amava, it's up to you if you continue with it or not.
Yeah.
They've already traveled the road. It's in their hands.
It's in their hands.
It's in their hands. It's up for them to lose it. If they really want to get the second star, now there's no motivation that can uplift them. It's on them right now.
So, any words to your neighbors, which is Orlando Pirates, who think that they will win the league?
Well, it's tough to be honest. It's not going to be easy, but I give credit to Orlando Pirates for this season. By this time already we're busy honoring Pirates, being the God of honors. They really went toe-to-toe with Orlando Pirates, with Mamelodi Sundowns. Just like now, it's still going to the wire. It's still open, by the way.
Yeah.
So, yeah, anything can still happen. They don't have to lose hope. They just have to make sure that they win their games.
Thank you so much, man of the match.
For me, it will be hard to predict, but the goalkeeper of Polokwane City, they really came to the party. If you checked in the first half, they could have lost with a heavy margin.
Yeah.
He denied a lot of goals. For me, I'll give credit to him. He really showed that is the last line of defense. Because if the ball passed him, it was a goal.
Yeah.
So, yeah, yes, he was tested, but the margin could have been bigger if he didn't come to the game.
Yes, thank you so much, member. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Later.